Here is a question. How do you explain traffic sources to your CMO? In GA4, you've got source, medium, campaign, default channel grouping. But let's be honest, default GA4 channel grouping almost never matches your company's reality. Is LinkedIn CPC social or paid? Yes, it's paid, sure. But is newsletter, email, marketing, or sales? Or is it outreach? Every company argues about this. Why? Because there is no single source of truth about how it all defines. So today I will show you how to take control, how to create that source of truth, how to define traffic sources using SQL, group them by your rules, and finally stop the "why don't these numbers match" debate. I'll create a new data mart in OWOX and call it GA4 traffic sources. I'll select BigQuery as a storage and paste in the SQL that I've prepared. Don't worry, the full script is linked in the description so you can grab it. It would be even better to take the session table I have, but that was explained in another video that you can watch right here. But for now, I'll just start from scratch as you've never seen me before. From the GA4 export, I grab the session start event, since traffic source is a session attribute. From the event params, I extract the source, the manual source, the medium, the manual medium, campaign, the manual campaign name. Next, I create a channel grouping field using case-when logic. AI. This is kinda a new category for most businesses, but it's getting important. It's traffic from ChatGPT, Perplexity, Claude, or other AI assistants of your choice. Organic search covers medium organic plus referrals from Google and Bing. Plus, you can throw in anything important to your business right in here. Paid media. This is CPC, PPC, CPM, paid social, display, all paid campaigns. Email catches anything with medium equals email or source equals newsletter. Social is broken down by specific networks for cleaner reporting: LinkedIn, YouTube, Facebook, other. Direct goes for no medium or explicit direct source. Referral. This is genuine referral traffic that doesn't match other buckets. And so on. Basically, you can adjust these rules to match your company's logic. This way, every session gets a consistent channel assignment based on your rules, not GA4's default. Let's save and publish. Now the output schema shows what we have here. I don't want to talk a lot about taking care of the output schema here in this video. You can check another video right here. You can watch it, then take care of the output schema so it's business-friendly and has all of the descriptions for anyone to read the report correctly. Let's connect this data mart to Google Sheets. I'll paste in my doc URL here, give the report a name, and click Create. I'll run it once, and here are all my sessions with all of the details, including our custom channel grouping here in Google Sheets. Now basically, you can reuse this SQL to merge with other website behavioristic objects like page views, like visitors, anything you want. We have a lot of videos already available on this channel about that, so don't forget to subscribe to our channel and enable notifications so you don't miss the valuable content for you. And also, you can check it all in the specific playlist. Finally, I will set up a trigger so this report refreshes automatically every morning. Now, every dashboard in Sheets, Looker Studio, Tableau, Power BI pulls from the same traffic source logic data mart saved in OWOX data marts. And that's exactly how you take control of traffic sources in GA4. No more LinkedIn is social here, paid there confusion. With OWOX data marts, you define every metric once, document it once, and reuse everywhere across BI tools and other queries. Grab the SQL in the description, try it out yourself, and start building your own traffic sources data mart in OWOX today. If this was helpful, subscribe and hit the bell icon right below. because in the next video we will define conversions, revenue, and funnels with the same consistency. Your future self will thank you when every team in your company finally agrees on what channel actually means.